In this part, I am going to show the complete support ticket feature in the franchisee management module, starting from the franchisee portal and ending with issue resolution by the responsible internal user. This feature is useful because it gives the franchisee a proper way to ask for help from the portal, and it gives the company a structured way to track, assign, and resolve every support issue inside Odoo. Let's start from the portal side. The franchisee first go into the portal and open My Franchisee. Then the franchisee open the related franchisee record. Inside that page, there is a support ticket section where existing tickets are shown in a simple list. In this list, the franchisee can already see important details like the ticket number, category, priority, and current status. This helps the franchisee quickly understand what requests are already open and what stage they are in. Below that, there is a Create Support Ticket section. To raise a new request, the franchisee first select the unit if the issue is related to a specific franchisee unit. If the issue is a journal, the user can leave it as a journal. Next, the franchisee select the category. In this module, category includes operations, training, marketing, inventory, finance, technical issue, legal or agreement, and royalty dispute. After that, the franchisee select the priority. The available priorities are low, normal, high, and urgent. This helps the internal team understand how the serious or time sensitive the issue is. Then the franchisee enter the description. This is the main explanation of the issue, so the user should clearly describe what help is needed. Once the form is submitted, the system automatically creates the support ticket. The ticket number is generated by the system automatically, so the franchisee does not need to enter it manually. At the same time, the system also creates a follow-up ticket for the responsible internal person or a follow-back manager, so the request is noticed quickly. Now let's move to the backend side. Here you can see that it creates a follow-up activity or follow-up ticket. To review the request, we go to the franchisee management module and open a support ticket. Here we can see the list of all the tickets. In the list view, we can quickly review the ticket number, franchisee, franchisee unit, category, priority, assigned user, responsible deadline, and status. When we open a ticket, we can see the full ticket form. Inside the form, the internal user can review the related franchisee, unit, selected category, priority, and description, and the responsible deadline. The internal team can then assign the ticket to a specific person using Assign To field. This is the person who will actually work on the issue. Now let's understand the real ticket status flow in the module. After assign the responsible user have to click on the Assign button. Now let's log in with the responsible user. When the ticket is first created, it starts in new status. This means the request has been submitted, but no one has officially taken ownership yet. After the internal user selects the responsible person and click Assign, the ticket moves to the Assign stage. This means the request has now been officially given to a specific user. Once the responsible person begins working on it, they can start and ticket move in the in progress stage. This means active work is now happening on the issue. While handling the request, the internal user can add a resolution note. This is where they record what action was taken, what answer was given, or how the issue was resolved. If needed, they can also attach a file in the attachment section. When the issue has been solved, the user clicks a resolve and the status changed to a resolved. This means the support work is complete from the internal side. Finally, after the issue is fully finished and no more action is needed, the user clicks close and the ticket moves to the close status. So the actual ticket journey in this module is very clear: new, assigned, in progress, resolved and closed. This is useful in a real business because the franchisee can raise the issue directly from the portal and internal team can manage them with a proper workflow. Every request is recorded, every issue can be assigned to the right person. Full progress stay visible from start to finish. It also improves accountability because the company can see which tickets are still new, which ones are already assigned, which ones are being worked on, and which ones are resolved or closed. So in simple words, this feature allows the franchisee to submit a support ticket from the portal and then allow the internal team to review it, assign it, work on it, record the solution and close it properly. So that was the complete support ticket feature. It helps a franchisee raise a support request from the portal, allow the internal team to manage them through a proper status flow and makes the full issue handling process clear, traceable and professional.